Well, today I'm going to clear up a question you had about the game where wins meet, which is how to improve lag and FPS in the game, alright? So drop a like, subscribe, and let's clear this up. Inside the game, there are also some things you can do. For example, when you press ESC, go to the gear icon, the settings, and then go to the display section. Here in display, the first thing you can do is switch the game to windowed mode so you can change the resolution. A lot of people don't know this, but sometimes you have a weaker PC and a 4K or 2K monitor, and your PC can't handle that resolution, so the game stutters. I recommend lowering the resolution to 1920 by 1080. You can go even lower if needed, but the lower you go, the worse the game looks. My screen is full HD, so I leave it at 1920 by 1080. In full screen, you can't change resolution. The FPS limit also can't be changed in full screen. Scrolling down, you can disable motion blur. That helps a bit. Here in super resolution, in my case, since I have an AMD GPU, I see FSR. If you have an NVIDIA card, you'll probably see DLSS. I can activate it here if I want, and then choose how much FSR I want to use. You'll have to test to see whether lower or higher works better on your PC, but enabling FSR will give you more FPS. The same goes for DLSS if you're on NVIDIA. There's also anti-aliasing. I keep it enabled because the game looks strange without it. Then we have the graphics quality. I think the game isn't poorly optimized. It's actually well optimized. But it still requires a reasonably good PC. It wants a 6GB GPU and 16GB of RAM. So, what can you do? You can go to graphics quality. Mine is on custom, but you can switch to balanced. It will set many things to low. You can also put it on performance, which will set everything to low. When you do that, you'll see the game doesn't even look that bad on low, it still looks pretty good. You'll gain a lot of FPS doing this without ruining the visuals. I personally like leaving it on quality, but to be honest, I don't see that much difference changing these settings. So that's it, there's nothing more to adjust inside the game. See you next time.